Hello guys, my name is Jelisiya Baran, and today we're gonna learn a tutorial about how to make a falling gift. And the app I'm using is called Scratch. Now let's make it. First of all, we have to delete this sprite. Then we will go over to this icon. Then click on it. Then we'll go to food. Click on it. So you can choose any other sprites like this orange or this apple or bananas, but I'm just gonna choose the egg because it has more costumes. And then I'm gonna again go to food and pick the bowl thing. Now we're gonna place it right here. But also we need a line. You can do it without the line, but it will be very difficult for you to play. Now we're just gonna place it where it was. We're gonna add go to block so it doesn't move. Now for the bowl, let's do the bowl's thing first. But wait, let's position the egg in the right place. Let's place it here. Now let's see if it's aligned perfectly. You know what? We don't need perfect alignment. We just need the egg up there. Now we're gonna size it to 78. It's the perfect size. Now we're gonna get one green flag, click, go to control, click on it, then get the forever block, then the if then. But wait, we firstly need the go to block up here, up above the forever block. Then we're gonna go to sensing. Now if touching bowl, then scroll down until you find this. We need this block in here. Now we're gonna add a minus to it. We will need the minus like this. It cannot be on the other side. It has to be like this. Now if we want it slow, I'm just gonna make it slow for me. Now we're gonna go to costumes and delete these. We deleted those. Now we will go to looks and then switch to costume A. Now we have this chunk, but we need more. So we're gonna do this. We're gonna get a sound. Obviously, without the sound, a game doesn't sound very fun. So we're gonna ooh. Wait, let's hear these. I like this one. Now you can choose any sound you want, but I choose my own. You can see it's just going blah, blah, blah. But we don't want that, do we? Wait, let's go to. So in order to make it go up there again, we need to see the Y's position. So it's 162. Now let's set Y to 162. Now in above or beneath it, we will place the go to random position block. Now let's see what happens. But the thing is, we cannot move the ball here or here. It's just sitting in the middle. So in order to move it, we must complete the eggs thing first. Now let's add another if then. Now let's go to sensing and then go over and click, like grab the first thing, this one. Then click on this. Now you can see the thing written on it is line. So let's click on it. Then we're gonna go to looks. Then switch to costume B and then we can get this. But without scores, the game doesn't sound fun. So we're gonna make a variable. To go to the variable option, we must click on this. Click. Then we will click on this. That's written on it is make a variable. So let's click. Now this option appeared. Now let's name it score. You can make it silly, fun, anything, but it has to be related to score, or else it won't work. Then we're gonna set grab this and place it in the first place beneath the one green flag clicked. Now let's click on it and then we have this option again. Let's click on score. Now if it's touching the ball, we need it to change the score by 1. Now the ball. Wait, let's see if it works. Yep, it does. Now let's go over to the ball and then get a forever block. We will need 2 if then, but I'm just gonna duplicate it a minute. Just give me a sec, then I'll duplicate it to make it 2. So we're gonna go to sensing and get this block named key space pressed. I put it here and we will click on this to the right thing. Then we'll go to motion and then change X by 10. Then we will go over to this and click on our mouse on the right side. Click on it 2 times. Click on it a multiple times and then this option will come. Now let's click on this. Now to this option called left arrow. Now we're gonna make the second X minus 10. Because if we don't make it minus, then it will just only go to the right. But we don't want it to go only right. We want it to go left and right. So that's why we must add the minus 10. Now let's see what happens. We can see the ball is moving. But something feels off. We don't have a beautiful background. So in order to get a background, we must go over to the corner right here. It says choose a background. Click on it. Then we will choose a background. I like this one named circles. You can choose any other backgrounds you want by clicking on this. But I really like this one, so I'm just gonna get that one. Now let's see the final result. So you can see the ball moves freely and the egg is happily falling down and it's not breaking. Oh no, it broke. Anyways, that's all. Stay tuned for another tutorial on Scratch. Now, Jelisiya out. Bye bye.